It's all creamy inside. Oh. Oh my God, it's heaven. Oh my God, it's so delicious. So freaking delicious. Hey y'all, welcome to the Sip Bite Go channel. If you're looking for a tasty and easy way to spice up your grilling game, you are in the right place. This here is not just any kebab. It's not just any veggie kebab. It is a paneer cheese kebab. And if you're unfamiliar, paneer is this cheese that's really great for grilling. So you're gonna see it. If you can't find it, it's right here. And I'm going to show you start to finish how easy it is to grill these up in about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go. If you're not familiar, paneer is ideal for grilling because it gets a slightly charred exterior while the inside stays soft and creamy. It can really hold up to high heat, and my barbecue appetizer paneer recipe here will elevate the paneer with a simple yet flavorful DIY marinade that you're going to love. Get started by preparing the ingredients. You want to dice a 6-ounce paneer cheese block into 1 to 2 inch chunks, along with 1 zucchini, 1 red pepper, and 1 yellow squash. You want to cut them all up into 1 to 2 inch chunks about similar size so they grill at the same time. One of my best investments over the summer was to get some of these metal kebab skewers. You can find them in the description links of this video in the Sip Bite Go Amazon store. I like them because unlike wooden skewers, you don't have to soak them in water so they don't burn. And these ones also push off the veggies much more easily. The end of them actually moves, so make sure to pick them up. Great investment for my barbecue lineup. So just mix them up as you add them to the skewers, and then it's time to make the marinade. You're going to see that I use that large green hatch chili in this recipe. Hatch chili season is upon us here in Texas. That's why I chose it. You could always use jalapeno or some other type of pepper that you'd like. The hatch chili was really not spicy once I removed the pith, which is the white connective part inside, and the seed. So I just used the outside of 1 large hatch chili. It was absolutely perfect. Again, you could use jalapeno or serrano if you wanted instead of hatch chili, because it's only available for a certain time of the year. So once you get the insides all removed, just go ahead and dice up the outside of that hatch chili. And I hope you have a NutriBullet or some other blender where you can mix together this marinade. Add in the pepper, half lemon juice, half tablespoon barbecue rub, a teaspoon garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and you want to add in a 1/3 cup of olive oil and blend it all until it is perfectly smooth. You definitely have to try it when it's done because it's like the perfect salsa as well. But today we're going to drizzle the marinade over the paneer and veggie skewers. And then I like to go in with a brush, like one of my barbecue brushes that I would use for barbecue sauce if I was like smoking ribs, but instead just brushing it all over the veggie and paneer skewers to really get that flavor in there. The cheese will pick up so much flavor, but you need to refrigerate these for at least an hour to overnight. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel. I have so many tasty recipes coming your way, including mains and desserts to serve with these kebabs. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat, about 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the grates with a little bit of oil on a paper towel carefully to prevent sticking. Grill the kebabs for about 5 minutes on each side until you see those beautiful grill marks on the cheese and the veggies are tender. I absolutely love those little bites of the cheese that are a little bit extra crispy because they've been on the grill grates. So definitely make sure to get each side of the paneer so you get that flavorful little crunch. It's going to be soft and yummy on the inside. Here I'm just doing a little check. Obviously the cheese was nice and melty, but I knew these were ready to pull off the grill when I was easily able to pierce both the zucchini and the yellow squash with the fork. Look how yummy these turned out. I can smell the marinade from here. So good, and I cannot wait to sample all of the veggies, but especially that paneer cheese. All right, so let's see. Piece of cheese right here that I can't wait to get to. So let's just sample them as we go. So this one first, zucchini. Tender, perfect. That was so fast. Okay, here is the paneer. Okay. Mmm. 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 So good, so rich. If you just pushed all of this onto a plate, you could probably like dice up the paneer a bit, but it took on so much flavor from that marinade. Mmm. Mmm. Red pepper. Mmm. 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 It was so yummy. Mmm. More paneer. Mmm. 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 It's all creamy inside. Oh. Mmm. Oh my god, it's heaven. Oh my god, it's so delicious. So freaking delicious.